Welcome once again to our commerce classroom. In this session, we discuss about pricing of materials. We know materials are purchased in different lots and are kept in storeroom and later issued to jobs as and when required. This creates the problem of determining at which price materials are to be issued to different jobs or products. The act of determining the price at which materials are to be issued is termed as pricing of material issues. The cost of production, value of stock, and profits depend on the method of prices chosen. Then we discuss what are the important features of an ideal pricing method. The first feature of ideal pricing method is this: the issue price should cover the cost price of materials. And then secondly, issue price and value of closing stock should be close to current market price. Then third feature is this: there should not be frequent changes in issue price. And then fourth feature of an ideal pricing method is this: the method should be simple and easy to operate. Then we discuss about different methods of pricing. There are mainly three methods of pricing: actual cost method, first one; second one, average cost method; and then third method is notional price method. In our actual cost methods, we issue materials at its actual cost. We know FIFO, LIFO, base stock, HIFO, NIFO, specific price method, etc. come under actual cost methods. Then our second method, average cost method. Simple average, weighted average, etc. come under average cost method. Then third method is notional price method. Notional price are actually imaginary prices: standard price, market price, inflation price, reuse price, etc. come under notional price methods. Then we discuss about first in first out FIFO method. We know in FIFO method, materials received first are issued first. Under this method, materials are issued to the production in the order in which they are received in stores. Its main advantages are: value of closing stock represents the current market price, and then second advantage, this method is useful when prices are falling. Then next, LIFO method, last in first out method. In LIFO method, materials purchased last are issued first. LIFO is just opposite to the FIFO method. The main advantages of last in first out method are: issue price will represent the current market price, and this method is more useful during the periods of rising prices. Then we discuss about simple average price method and weighted average price method. In case of simple average price method, we can calculate a simple average price by using the formula: simple average price is equal to total of prices of material in stock divided by number of prices. I repeat, simple average price is equal to total of prices of materials in stock divided by number of prices. Then when we come to this weighted average price method, weighted average price is equal to total value of materials in stock divided by total quantity of materials in stock. I repeat, weighted average price is equal to total value of material in stock divided by total quantity of material in stock. In our coming sessions, we illustrate LIFO, FIFO, simple average price and weighted average price methods. We will meet again in coming sessions with illustrations. Till then, goodbye.